Hello, I'm Marty Redish. I'm an orthopedic surgeon here at Chattanooga Bone and Joint. We put a premium on personal relations with the patients, and we don't want machines and computers dealing with patients. We want that warm personal touch. I really enjoy my patients. I like being a general orthopedic surgeon. I've worked on spines early in my career, a lot of trauma. Mostly I do elective orthopedics now, which turns out to be a lot of joint replacements. But I have so many patients that I've taken care of for 20 and 30 years. Their wrists, their shoulders, their knees, their hips. There's nothing like seeing these old patients come in that I know I've worked on forever, that trust me and know that I've got their best interests at heart. And it's just enjoyable to do that variety of things so that I appreciate the whole person. I know them. I know what they want to do with their lives. I know what their hobbies are. When a patient comes to see me, what I want to do is I want to learn about the patient. I want to know what kind of job they have, what kind of activities physically they need to do to make a living. I want to know what they do in their spare time. There's a lot of outdoor people here in this area that like to garden, they like to hike, they like to rock climb. I want to know what they like to do so that I can tailor their treatment towards what they would like to do. I certainly thank my patients for the trust they put in me. My reward is so great when I see an old patient who says, "I love you, Dr. Redish." It means so much to me.